Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss narration. This is the second part of our discussion. In this module, we will discuss exclamatory sentence and its narration change. So are you ready? Let's start. Before discussing narration change for exclamatory sentence, we need to know what is exclamatory sentence. Look at the definition. It presents strong emotion or excitement such as joy, sorrow, anger, etc. It means this kind of sentence presents strong emotions or excitement like joy, sorrow, anger, etc. And there is generally exclamation mark. So we find exclamation mark in this kind of sentence. So this sentence is called exclamatory sentence. Now see some examples. The first example, hurrah, we have won. Look at the sentence. This sentence presents emotion of joy or happiness. And here we find hurrah, after hurrah we find exclamation mark. That's why it is an exclamatory sentence. Now see the next example. Alas, I am undone. Look at the sentence. This sentence presents emotion sorrow. That's and we find exclamation mark after alas. That's why it is an exclamatory sentence. And what are good news? And next example, good morning. Look at the 1, 2, 3. These three examples we find exclamation mark. So when we find exclamation mark, simply it is an exclamatory sentence. But in some cases we do not find exclamation mark like good morning, good night. So but still good morning, good night, this kind of sentence says also called exclamatory sentence. Now, at the time of narration change from direct to indirect speech, generally exclamatory sentence is changed into assertive sentence. It means during narration change, you need to change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Now see examples. What a fool you are! Exclamatory sentence. How can you change it into an assertive sentence? Look here what exclamatory words. Okay, a fool, other parts. A fool is a noun and you subject and are verb. In assertive sentence, the general structure of it subject verb others parts, SVO, subject verb others. So that's why we use at first you subject, then verb are, then we use other parts are full, and what change into great, and it is used before full. So you are a great fool. In this way we can change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Look, exclamatory sentence at first we use subject you, then verb are, then we use a article, and what change into great and then full. So you are a grateful, you subject are verb and are grateful other parts, SVO. Now look next example. How beautiful the night is. Here how exclamatory words, beautiful other parts, and beautiful is an adjective, and the night subject here and is verb. Now at first we need to use the subject is, the night, then verb is, then how change into very, then other parts beautiful. So here the night is very beautiful, the night subject is verb and other very beautiful other parts, SVO. You should remember what how will be changed into great very. Okay, whenever you find what or how, it will change into great or very. Now great is used before noun. Look at the sentence, first sentence, a fool. Fool is a noun, that's we used great. Great, so great is used before noun, that's why we use a grateful. We use great before full. because full is a noun. That's why we use great before full, and very is used before adjective. Look at the second example, how beautiful. Now beautiful is an adjective, that's why we used how change into very, and it is used before beautiful, very beautiful. So whenever you find what and how, it will be changed into great and very, and great is used before noun and very is used before adjective. Now see the next example. What a terrible sight. Here what exclamatory word? A terrible sight, other parts. And here we do not find any subject and verb. So when we do not find any subject and verb, according to the sense, we need to use it is in any object or non-living things, and subject he is or she is. If we find living things, we can use he is, she is, or if we, in case of plural, they are, etc. So here sight is a non-living things, that's why we use at first it is. Then so at first we use it is, then what is changed into very, because terrible is an adjective, so it is a very terrible sight. Now look next example, what a villain. Here what exclamatory word, and a villain other parts. Here we do not find any subject, but a villain indicates living thing, that's why we need to use he is. So that's why we use he is. Then what change into great, because villain a noun, so that's why he is a great villain. We should remember, if there are no subject and verb, according to the sense, it is, he is, she is will be used. If you find any non-living thing, use it is. If you think even living things, use he is, she is. Okay, if it, in case of the boy or general, use he is, and in case of girl, use she is. So in this way we can change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Now see rule for narration change from direct to indirect. So at first you need to use the speaker, then exclaimed or exclaimed in joy, exclaimed in sorrow, etc. in place of said or said to. So in place of said or said to, according to emotions, you need to use exclaimed in joy or exclaimed in sorrow or just exclaimed. Then the listener, then joining word that. Then remove interjections from reported speech such as alas, hurrah, oh, etc. You don't need to use it. Remove interjections. Then the reported speech you need to change into assertive sentence. I mean reported speech will be in exclamatory sentence. You need to change into an assertive sentence. And then after changing, you need to use subject change in person, then verb change in tense, then other parts. Now see some examples. The first example, they said, hurrah, we have won. Here the speaker said, reporting verb, hurrah, exclamatory words or interjection, and who is subject, have won the verb part. Okay, so hurrah, we have won. This indicates sense of joy, sense of happiness. That's why at first we use they, the speaker. Then in place of say to, we use exclaim in joy, because hurrah, we have won. This sentence indicates emotion, joy. So in place of say to, we use exclaimed in joy. Then joining word that. Then we remove the word hurrah. Then we change into we means when we is a first person. When we find first person, it will be changed according to the speaker. So here speaker they, that's why we change into they. We use here they. Then have past form of have, that is had own. So they exclaimed in joy that they had own. Now see the next example. Raki said, alas, I am undone. Here Raki speaker, said reporting verb, alas, exclamatory word that indicates sense of sorrow or emotions, sorrow. I am undone. I subject, am verb, and undone other parts. So at first we use the speaker Raki, and in place of said to, we use exclaim in sorrow because alas indicates emotion sorrow. So that's why in place of said to, we use exclaimed in sorrow. Then joining what that. Then I the subject and I is the first person. So whenever we find first person, it will be changed according to the speaker, Rakhi. So here speaker is Rakhi. That's why the pronoun of Rakhi will be she. We use she. Then past form of am was. Then other parts undone. So Rakhi exclaimed in sorrow that she was undone. Now see the next example. The next example, Subroto said, "What a good news!" Now Subroto speaker said reporting verb and what exclamatory word a good news other parts. Now what a good news, this exclamatory sentence we need to change into assertive sentence. So when we change what a good news this exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence, it will be it is a very good news. Now at first we use the speaker Subroto, then in place of said we use exclaimed, then joining what that. Then look at the assertive sentence we changed. It is a very good news. We use at first it, subject, then past form of is, was, then other parts are very good news. Next example. Arpita said to me good morning. Whenever we find good morning, good night, good evening, this kind of sentence, it is slightly different before three examples. At first we use the speaker Arpita, then in place of say to, we need to use bade or wished. So here we used bade, then listener me, then just good morning. So Arpita paid me good morning or Arpita wished me good morning. Now you need to remember here begged or wished should be used, not exclaimed. So in this case, good morning, good night. In this case, we cannot use exclaimed. We need to use either begged or wished. Anyone begged or wished you can use. Both the meaning begged and wished is same. So you can use begged or wished. Look at the example. Arpita begged me good morning. This sentence can be Arpita wished me good morning. So in this way, we can change narration in case of exclamatory sentence. For making this concept, I need to take help Highlights of English by P.K. Mukherjee. In this module, we have discussed exclamatory sentence and its narration change. Hopefully, all of you understand today's discussion. So much for the present. Thank you so much.